If you're a Google Workspace admin or user, you might be looking to automate different tasks in it. For example, admins might be wanting to create users by schedule or automatically assigning new users to groups. Or a Google Workspace user might be trying to get a calendar daily or weekly agenda to my inbox or bulk creating calendar events. However, Google Workspace does not allow tasks to be scheduled or automatically assigned, and it is not possible to combine multiple tasks or doing actions in bulk. Here is the solution: the xFanatical Foresight. xFanatical Foresight is an innovative SaaS platform that revolutionizes the way businesses optimize their operational processes and supercharge their Google Workspace workflows effortlessly. It features no-code automation, which empowers non-technical people to use automation to their advantage. Using xFanatical Foresight, Google Workspace admins and users can now seamlessly streamline their workflow automation. So how does xFanatical Foresight work? xFanatical Foresight automates workflows without any human interference. You just need to define your workflows, and then this tool will automate them, like, for example, automating the exporting of mobile devices in Google Workspace. This platform is completely integrated with Google Workspace, so it can automate the workflows of Google admin use cases like export active users in Google Workspace. Also, it streamlines the workflows of Google users so that they can efficiently handle Gmail, Calendar, Sheets, Drive, Docs, Slides, Forms, etc. So, what are its features? Zero coding required. One of the most outstanding features of xFanatical Foresight is the no-code automation. That means you can automate the workflows without writing any lengthy automation script. It offers pre-built functionalities like actions and triggers to proceed with your task. Just a few clicks, drags and drops will lead you to complete your tasks. Remove repetitive tasks. With xFanatical Foresight, you don't need to be involved in mundane, repetitive tasks. It automates every task and frees up more time. For instance, this workflow sends app report alerts automatically. Scalability and flexibility. No matter whether the task is simple or complex, xFanatical Foresight has the solution, being a scalable and flexible tool. For instance, you can create bulk users as many as you want. Moreover, you can customize your workflows whenever required. Security. xFanatical Foresight keeps your data end-to-end encrypted and synchronized. It assists you in governing security through features like two-factor authentication. Moreover, it helps the admin get information about admin logs and reports about Google Workspace app usage and monitors, and automates the Google Workspace user reports. Analytics. xFanatical Foresight's logs page offers an in-depth analysis of an automation rule. You can see all the data about the tasks that are automated, their time, status, passed or failed, and actions used to complete them. Also, it shows the details about the event that triggers an automation rule. It offers email notifications and in-app notifications when something has changed in your automation rule. Accuracy. Accuracy is a significant feature that every automation tool must have, and xFanatical Foresight is no exception. It eradicates human errors and produces accurate results. Thus, it speeds up your activities. Overall, xFanatical Foresight eliminates the need for human labor by modernizing workflows. Being a no-coding automation removes the necessity to hire expert programmers and also helps the users handle everything with minimal guidance. xFanatical Foresight users automate and streamline processes, saving time and increasing productivity. Let's supercharge your Google Workspace workflows with xFanatical Foresight.